In the vast darkness of the universe, light is our only messenger. Every star, every galaxy, every distant object sends its story through the thin beam of a cosmic glow. And for more than a century, astronomers have used a simple tool to read these stories: the redshift. When light from faraway objects stretches as the universe expands, it becomes redder. The farther away something is, the more redshift it has. This rule has helped us map the entire cosmos. But recently, something has broken that rule. A signal was detected that carries a redshift so extreme it should be billions of light years away. Yet every other measurement suggests it's much closer. Too close. As if the universe is lying. As if something is manipulating the light intentionally. And this mystery has now become known as the redshift anomaly. Astronomers first noticed the anomaly while studying a region of space with unusually strong radio emissions. The signal behaved like a distant quasar, objects so bright they can be seen across the universe. But when telescopes examined the surrounding area, something didn't match. There was no host galaxy, no visible structure, nothing that could explain such a powerful signal. It appeared to come from empty space. Usually, this would be dismissed as an error, a calibration issue, a glitch. But then, a second telescope confirmed the reading, then another, and then another, all reporting the same impossible measurement. Something bright, powerful, and structured was emitting light that said, "I am billions of light years away," while the energy signature whispered, "I am much closer than you think." For months, the anomaly was kept quiet. A handful of astrophysicists studied it privately. They compared it to known cosmic phenomena, from gravitational lensing to collapsing stars. But none of the models fit. The redshift wasn't natural. It was too clean, too controlled, as if the light itself had been engineered. This led to the first theory. Something artificial might be creating or altering the signal. A beacon, a transmitter, a machine. Something designed to appear distant while being right above us on a cosmic scale. Scientists don't make statements like these lightly, but privately. Several admitted that the pattern looked intentionally modified, because real redshift is messy. It shifts different wavelengths by slightly different amounts. But this anomaly? Perfect. Uniform. As if someone stretched the light by the exact same factor across the spectrum. Not because of distance, but because they wanted it to look distant. Another strange feature began appearing. The signal wasn't constant. It pulsed. Not randomly, but rhythmically. Some pulses were short, others long. When charted, the pattern resembled encoded information. And as scientists tried to decode it, they found sequences repeating every 28 hours, matching no known cosmic process. Almost like a language. NASA and ESA continued to investigate quietly. Several weeks later, the anomaly shifted. Not slowly, but instantly. The redshift changed by a measurable amount. If it were a natural object, this should be impossible. A galaxy cannot suddenly move millions of light years in an instant. For the anomaly to change so suddenly, it had to be close. Very close. Close enough to adjust itself. The idea that something could manipulate its own redshift was beyond anything in our physics. It would require technology capable of warping the very fabric of light. But the evidence was undeniable. The anomaly was controlled, not drifting. Intelligent, not random. This sparked the most unsettling theory. What if something is hiding? What if the signal is designed to appear far away so that we ignore it? A cloak of distance. A disguise written in photons. Not to reveal itself, but to stay unnoticed. The pulses continued. Researchers compared them to pulsars, to gamma bursts, even to prime number sequences. Some patterns lined up eerily well with mathematical structures. Not meteorological, not gravitational, but computational. As if the signal was processing information. Then came the final twist. The direction of the anomaly was found to be shifting slightly over time. Not because the object was moving, but because something seemed to be orbiting around it. Something smaller, something reflecting the signal, something like a structure. Astronomers don't use words like structure unless they have nothing else left. But that's exactly what several quietly wrote in their early drafts, before those drafts were removed from public archives. Today, the redshift anomaly remains unsolved. The signal still pulses. The redshift still defies physics. And the possibility remains that somewhere out there, not far away, something is sending a message disguised as a distant star. Something watching from the shadows of the universe. Something intelligent. Something ancient. Or something new. The question we are left with is simple but terrifying. If this signal is artificial, who sent it? And why are they hiding?